I'm making up this recipe as I'm filming it, but I would not publish this video would this lasagna turn out to be not so gorgeous actually. So much so that I think this is how I'm always going to make lasagna now. The method is a bit slapdash and quick, so I'm going to call it my express lasagna. And as I'm going away, I have to clear the fridge, and I'm using some a bit unusual ingredients here. The end result is just so summery, peppery, tomatoey, light, fresh, absolutely delicious. Oh, these peppers are absolutely lush, and I need to cook them sooner rather than later. So I quickly prepping them and I put them through a chopper here. I need to do it in 2 goes as the chopper is very small. If I would have here my big Maggi mix, would be quicker, but still the whole process is not that much longer. Yeah, literally a couple of whizzes were done, our second batch of peppers. A piece of regular onion and some random, just one spring onion which I found in the fridge. Both go in, quick blitz. Also whatever tomato paste I have. Also a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of garlic powder, a secret ingredient which I use now a lot in salads and cooking. I don't eat it as it is that much, as I kind of avoid pickles as they are, but I think it's great in cooking in small amounts. So these are sweet pickled peppers. They're ever so slightly hot as well. Oregano generously and a purple Armenian basil. It's very nice and goes in as well. Cherry tomatoes are very ripe and sweet. I will blitz them too, and the 2 large tomatoes I will reserve for the decoration. Our sauce is almost done, but not quite. The peppers will release lots of water in the oven, and of course tomatoes are very juicy as well, so should be enough liquid for the lasagna sheets to cook. So I give everything a good mix, good amount of black pepper here, and good amount of olive oil. Anything can be improved with a good olive oil, some salt, a final good mix. Just keep tasting. The sauce should be quite intense and strong. And now it's just a matter of layering the sauce with the lasagna sheets. I think it would make a great pasta bake. Simply mix the sauce with some half-cooked pasta, I would say, and it should work very well. I was considering not to do any white sauce here. That would be really lazy. Of course, seeing that the red sauce took me literally a minute to put together. But at the end, I've made very quick, just out of 150 ml of milk, a small amount of white sauce with flour, preferably if you have a corn flour, use that. And yeah, I've added some grated cheese into it and some oregano. Gradually add the milk into the flour, stirring all the time, then bring it to the boil. And I've added oregano from the beginning and a cheese somewhere halfway through. It really takes a couple of minutes. As far as I remember, it's an old piece of hard goat's cheese. I need to use it as well. I grate it, and some I would put into white sauce, and the rest I will just sprinkle on top.